One of my absolute favorite quotes is this one: "If you fail to plan, you plan to fail." And apparently it's a quote from Benjamin Franklin. Well, it doesn't really matter who said it. What matters is that it states a fundamental truth for anyone who has to do with business and/or marketing. By now, you should perfectly know what an editorial calendar is and how to use it. In the template you downloaded, you must have noticed a section dedicated to your blog. In fact, you should have a clear plan for your blog and have a clear idea what you are going to post and when. The first thing that you should decide is how often you are going to post. You should publish a regular update, maybe every week or every day or every 3 days, you decide, but be reasonable. Your goal should be to provide quality, not quantity. Be realistic. Writing takes time, and if you don't have time to write an article every day, that's completely fine. Think about how you could fit writing into your everyday schedule. Then you should decide what to post. Whatever your blog is about, here's a great tip to come up with a long-term list of articles. Imagine you're creating a course about your chosen topic. If you had to teach your stuff to someone else, what would you start off with? Plan each article as if it were a very small module of your course. Empower your readers. Take them through a journey and turn them into experts, one article at a time. Once your blog is full of very useful articles, you can add a Start Here page, providing a list of the most important links that new users should read so they can immediately get a feel as to what the blog is about and taste some of your best content. Don't forget to include an About page as well. In this page, you'll tell people who you are and why they should follow you and read your blog. Bring numbers, case studies, pictures, videos, customer testimonials, anything that can be used as a social proof. I know this might sound trivial, but don't include any false information, please. Because in the end, the quality of your blog post will speak for yourself, so no need to lie. Honesty should not only be at the basis of your About page, but all of your articles and marketing efforts in general. We live in an era where information is accessible to anyone. If you write something that is untrue, people will find out, and you will regret it. The reason why I feel I have to mention this is that many people often feel like they are not good enough and there is no reason why people should listen to them. So they sometimes make up some false information to validate their position. But let me tell you, you don't need to do that. Again, the quality of your writing will speak for you and will be far more effective than any other university degree or job title on your CV. You need to be remarkable, be different. We mentioned that the blogosphere currently counts over 100 million blogs, so it's very likely that whatever you want to talk about has been already covered by someone else. But the great news is that it has never been covered by you. Add your touch, your experience, and your personality and let it shine through. People will love it. Moreover, this will help you build an audience that you can also relate with on a personal level, which will definitely play in your favor if these people convert into actual customers, because they already know you, but most of all, they already like you. Many people prefer seeing pictures instead of reading. That's a fact. In the age of social media, it is of paramount importance to produce a lot of visual content that captures the attention of the laziest readers. You don't even need to be an experienced graphic designer to do that, as there are lots of free online tools that can help you create visually appealing artworks that you can share on your blog and social media accounts, for example Canva or PicMonkey. Last but not least, the number one rule of blogging is that whatever you post, you need to like it yourself. You're passionate about your topic, right? Then, would you visit your blog and read your articles if they were written by someone else? Only if the answer is yes, then you're on the right track.